Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Sign-in in Wized apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Sign-in in Wized apps, start by creating a project in the Google Developers Console. Go to console.developers.google.com and log in with your Google account. Click on the Select a Project drop-down and then choose New Project. Give your project a name and click Create. Once your project is created, navigate to the Credentials tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. You will need to configure the consent screen first. Click on OAuth Consent Screen in the left sidebar. Choose an external user type if your app is for external users. Fill out the required fields like the app name, user support email, and developer contact information. Once you have completed the consent screen setup, save your changes. Return to the Credentials section and click on Create Credentials again. Select OAuth 2.0 Client IDs once more. In the Application Type section, choose Web Application. Give your client ID a name to identify it later. In the Authorized Redirect URIs section, add your Wized app redirect URI. To find your Wized app redirect, after adding the redirect URI, click Create to generate your client ID and client secret. Make sure to copy both the client ID and client secret for later use. Now, head to your Wized app and open the settings. In the settings, find the section for integrating third-party authentication. Select Google Sign-in as your authentication method. When prompted, enter the client ID and client secret you copied earlier. Customize any additional settings as required, including callback URLs and scopes. Once all the information is in place, save your changes. Test the Google Sign-in functionality by launching your app. Click the Google Sign-in button and follow the prompts to authenticate. Ensure that everything is working correctly by verifying user authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.